The ultrasonic probes scan the entire structure, searching for microfractures and inconsistencies.
The specialized composite flap is moved into the vacuum oven for precise curing. This critical pre-processing
Check alignment data on Sector 4.
Reading confirmed. Tolerance is green.
We are ready for the riveting sequence.
Easy now, bring it down 5 more centimeters.
Hold it there, it looks aligned on this side.
Okay, lower slowly.
Integrating the fuel tank required meticulous precision. The bladder is secured using specialized non-sparking tools to prevent any abrasion within the fixed structure.
The machine precisely mills the high-tolerance attachment points for the vertical stabilizer, ensuring perfect alignment with the rest of the airframe structure.
The camera tracks along the wing interior, focusing on the primary flight control actuator mounting. Technicians
Fit on the canopy looks good. Are the engine panels secured?
Confirmed. Process A is complete. Ready for sealant.
All readings nominal on the forward section.
Aft section clear. Listen to that tap.
Solid bond. Process A is complete.
Banks of warm infrared heaters slowly radiate heat onto the fixed structure, accelerating the curing process of the primer layer. Process A involves the sealing of all apertures. Specialized high-visibility yellow protective caps are installed over the gray airframe shell. Automated monitoring systems log environmental data, ensuring the structural integrity of the airframe during temporary storage.
Torque is confirmed on the connection points.
Laser alignment shows 0 deviation. It's perfectly flush.
The rudder response time is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Aileron sweep also looks good on channel blue.
The standardized NATO IFF transponder is secured into the avionics bay, followed by the connection of specialized... Meticulous preparation is key. The engine cradle maneuvers the jet turbine into position for the final integration phase.
External panels secured and flushed.
Sensor array checked out, no errors logged.
The airframe dimensions are compliant. Final readiness confirmed.
Run-up stable at 90%. All indicators green.
Systems integrated. We are go for taxi.
Taxi test initiated. Steering responsive, controls check good. The rollout is smooth. Pre-flight inspection complete. All systems and weapons pylons are fully integrated and secure. Ready for flight operations. Master arm engaged. Locking target sequence now. Confirming lock on Charlie sector. Ground power connected. Running systems check now.
Check confirmed. Navigation lights on. You are clear for engine start.
Secure com check. Radio 1, ALCA 950. How copy?
Loud and clear, Specialist. Transmission secure.
Missile secure, check the connection. Data link engaged. Green light confirmed. Avionics engaged. Systems check initiated.
Copy that. All indicators green. Ready for engine start.
The L-159 ALCA demonstrates reliable operational performance.